Oh crap! That's right, guys. I got another unboxing, and this unboxing, this package here, it's huge, is from my good friend Toys210. Thank you. You are really a great friend. This is unbelievable. It came so fast. I mean, just thank you so much. I'm just so excited right now. As you can see how big it is. I'm not gonna show my address, but it's got Fragile here. This is a big box. I mean, now for you guys that have been following his channel, then you do know that I bought something from him. But for those of you that don't know, this is just gonna be a whole surprise. It's gonna be awesome. So let's unbox this thing. Dude, you packaged this so well. I can already tell this is gonna be packaged so well. So excited! Please, guys, go and subscribe to Toys210's channel. He is awesome. These are actually 2 figures. Boy. Whew. Okay. My favorite part. This is my favorite part of opening a box. The middle. Actually, maybe instead of, well, I already cut it, so never mind. Let's just see if you can see everything. Okay. Alright. Oh, this is ridiculous. Another box! This is just unbelievable. First class. Let's move the big box out of the way. Here's one of them. Here's the other. This one, well, you can probably guess once I turn it around. Or no. Oh, you can't. Nice. I thought you'd probably just know what this one is. Let's open this one first. This is just awesome. Oh my god. I've been wanting this figure here for ever since it came out back in 2005, and I just never got around to getting it. Oh, this is just first class shipping. Oh, it is more wrap. It is the Takara Batman. Look at this. Oh, this guy is fantastic looking. Look at him. Always wanted this bad boy. Finally have him. Oh man. Thank you so much, man. This is just awesome. And this is the real prize here. God, this is ridiculous. How well you've packed this, dude. This is the most well-packed package I've ever received from anyone. This is just unbelievable, dude. This one I've been wanting for a year. This one here I've been wanting for a couple of years. If you've been following my channel since day one, this is what I said was going to be my second review, but I never actually bought him, and now I finally have him. Okay. Dark Knight again. This basically Oh, the slipcover is still in here. It is the Batman original costume. I mean, this is unbelievable. Not imported to the United States. Just see this bad boy right here. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh, this is just awesome. Oh, Toy-Stu10, thank you very much, dude. I will have a review of these guys up soon. Just subscribe to this guy's channel immediately. This guy's just awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Thank you again, Toy-Stu10.